Hello, my name is Dale McKenna. I am a service training specialist here at Central Atlantic Toyota. We've had a lot of questions here lately from technicians regarding how to figure out which e-learnings I need to take to stay in my certified level, be it as a maintenance tech, a certified tech, a master, or so forth. So in this video, we're going to show you how to navigate the certification website so that you can see exactly what it is that you need to complete to stay up to date with all of the information that you need to have as a technician. So let's take a look and see, first off, how to log in. And then once we're logged in, we'll show you how to navigate through some of the information that's on this website. So let's take a look. Okay, I know there's a whole bunch of different ways that you can get to the certification site. Heck, you can just type in Toyota certification, enter, search for it, and log in through there. But I want to show you access a slightly different way, and that's through TIS, like I have behind me. If we scroll all the way down on the left-hand side down here, you're going to see that there is something called a technical training resource right over there to the right where the pointer is right now. If I click on that technical training resource, it's going to open it up, and there's going to be something called additional technical resources. This is where you can actually get to the certification page. If you don't remember how to get there through the internet, you can simply click on here and you'll notice that I now have access to the certification and also something called the course map. I'm going to bring the course map up real quick because I think it's going to help you understand exactly what it is that we need you to do. So bear with me here for 1 second. Let me bring up this course map. The course map is essentially your roadmap to your training. As a Toyota technician, your goal is to get through each one of these certification levels, be it maintenance, certified, expert, master, or MDT. In each one of those categories, there are a series of tasks that you have to complete before you can proceed to the next level. Maintenance, you'll see, is comprised primarily of e-learning, so online learning. Certified has a mixture of e-learnings and also hands-on courses that need to be completed as well. And then when you get into the expert, not only do you need to have the appropriate e-learnings completed, but the classes and also the ASCs associated with those classes as well. So let's take a look at how to figure out which one of these classes is still outstanding in my certification rules. So let's take a look at that. All right, so now from our additional technical training resources, I'm going to go right into the certification and course catalog. By clicking on that link, it's going to take me to a page that's probably going to look fairly familiar as far as the login for your certification page. You're simply going to enter your SPIN number and then the dealer code to get in. Once logged in, it's going to take you directly to your home page, which is going to give you your status in reference to who you are right now in the Toyota system. You can see mine is labeled as Master Diagnostic Technician. But wait a minute, here's the important thing. You'll notice over here under Technician, there's a red asterisk right next to it. That tells me right now there's something I need to do as a master tech to stay up to date. What I can do is I can look through each one of these pieces of information. Each one of these are folders, if you will, with things that are required for you to complete in order to maintain your certification level. If I move out of the way a little bit, you'll notice that one of them has a red asterisk next to it. If I click on this item, and I'm going to go over to where it says Technical ASC Requirements, it's going to open up and you can see all of my expiration dates for my ASCs. And yes, some of them are due to expire. If I look more closely at this, my A4, 5, 6, and 7 are due to expire the 1st of July, which means I have until then to get them updated, and then the red asterisk that's next to the technician will actually go away. Other important notes can also be seen in red here as well. There's going to be a requirement that becomes due June 2025 in order for me to maintain my master diagnostic status. Some of the other interesting information you can find on this page, if we close this down, is we can go in and look at what are called self-paced modules. Those are the e-modules that you guys need to stay up to date on. If I come in here, you'll notice that everything pretty much has a green check mark next to it. That means I've recently or I've completed it in the past. Be careful with this. This page is a lot longer than this, and there can be stuff hidden all the way down at the bottom of it. The ones that are due are not on the top of the page, they're at the bottom of the page. I don't know, I didn't do it that way. Let me show you what that looks like in the event that you have things that are outstanding because it looks a little different than mine because I don't have anything outstanding right now. I got it all done. What can I say? So let me go take a look at somebody else's. So let's see what happens now. We're going to go into this individual's home page for the certification site. Let me bring this up to the top up here. And I'm going to make it nice and big so we can see this. You'll notice that right now this individual is labeled as a maintenance tech because that's all they're certified as. Now here's the interesting thing. Over next to technician, look at that. It's all green. They're good. They don't have anything to do. Not if they want to stay at a maintenance level. That is correct. For maintenance, they have completed everything they need to do. And it even says over here that the self-paced modules are all up to date. Now here's the trick. To get from maintenance to the next level, if I click on the down arrow, the drop down arrow, if I want to become a certified tech, things change a little bit. You'll notice that I still do qualify for my current certification level, but now by clicking on certified, I can see other things that I am going to have to take care of before I can get to that certified level for engine, drivetrain, chassis, or electrical. One of the biggest things that a lot of people miss are these self-paced modules. Let me show you what I mean. When you click on the self-paced module and you hit the drop-down arrow, why does it show red right here when everything is green? I've got it all done. No, you don't. Remember what I said. You need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page because for some reason, whoever wrote the software thought it was better to put the stuff that you need to do at the bottom of the page than at the top of the page. I would have done it the other way, but I didn't write the software. So you need to make sure that you are checking all the way to the bottom of the list for self-paced modules to make sure you're not missing anything and that you're staying up to date. That also applies for new product training as well. For product launches, you'll notice there is a red asterisk next to the product launch information. If I click on that, this person needs to catch up with a lot of new product information. Take a look at the next level above where you are, whether it be certified, expert, or master, and what it will show you is all of the areas where you need to complete a task, be it an e-learning or maybe taking an ASE. Or in some cases, it's going to even have course requirements on there as well. So you'll notice that to get to master for course requirements, I need to, for this particular person, I need to get some more training done down here. That training may not open up for you until you have completed some of this e-learning as well, and also taken some ASEs. This is a package deal. The idea is to try to get all of these red exclamation points to turn green. Now, some of it's on you. Some of it's going to require you to come in to see us for training, but there's a large portion of it that is your responsibility as a technician to stay and maintain certified or to achieve that next certification level. You've got to get this stuff done. Hopefully what I showed you will help you understand exactly what it is that you're looking for and help you find what you need. Good luck. Thank you. We'll see you on the next video.